Okay, guys, welcome to science. Today, you guys, we are going to just start introduction to life science. So this is a plant cell. So it says plant cells have basic structures in common. Even though plant cells are as varied as the plants themselves, each individual plant cell is partly self-sufficient, carrying on the process contained within the cell membrane. A plant cell differs from an animal cell because it contains chloroplast and has a cell wall made of cellulose. So basically, what we're going to do, I'm just going to have you label this plant cell just so you get an idea. Sometimes this diagram will come up on the test. So I'm just going to go ahead and have you label this. So number one, I'm going to give you the answers. This is just kind of a study guide for you, so you can refer to this. So the first one would be the nucleus. And if you look, the nucleus is right there. So number one would be nucleus. Okay. And we'll get into what these are a little bit later. Number two is the vacuole, this one right here. Okay. Three is chloroplast. And I'll show you all the answers are here. So if you don't get all these now, you can go back and fill them in later. But three is the chloroplast. Four down here is that's going to be the endoplasmic reticulum. Five up here is going to be the cytoplasm, and that's right there. Six is the organelle. Oh, excuse me. I'm looking at the wrong ones, you guys. Let me go back. So one would be the nucleus. I'm completely sorry, guys. I was looking at the wrong one. One is the nucleus. Two is this one right here is the mitochondrion. So one is nucleus. Two is the mitochondrion. Three is the cell wall. Four is the cell membrane. Five is the chloroplast. Six right here, that would be the ribosome right here. Seven is the endoplasmic reticulum. Eight is cytoplasm. And nine is the vacuole. So I'll just do these once again for you guys. So one is the cell membrane right there. Two is the mitochondrion, which is right there. Three is the cell wall, right where the pointer is. Four is the cell membrane. You kind of see the membrane goes all around the cell. Five is the chloroplast, right there. Six are the ribosomes. Seven is the endoplasmatic reticulum. Eight is cytoplasm. And nine is the vacuole. That's what a typical plant cell consists of, those nine things. Okay. Okay. All right, now I'm going to go to what the functions of these things are. So this is the tough, non-living outer layer of each plant cell. It gives the cell shape, strength, and support. That's the cell wall. So cell wall gives, the plant shape, strength, and support. Okay, so number one is the cell wall. Number two, this is a structure that stores water and help keeps a plant from wilting. That's the vacuole, right up there. Three, this is a structure that contains chlorophyll, giving the plant its green color and traps energy from sunlight. That would be chloroplast. And that's right up here. So far, one cell wall. Two is a vacuole that stores water. Three, this is structure contains chlorophyll and gives the plants a green color and traps energy. That's chloroplast. Four, this is a structure that moves material throughout the cell. So four would be, that's the endoplasmatic reticulum right here. Five, this is a substance that fills most of the cells outside the nucleus, contains other organelles. That's the cytoplasm. Six, this is a tiny structure in the cytoplasm of cells perform a special job. That's the organelle. Seven, this is an organelle that puts together proteins for the cell. That would be the ribosome. Eight, this is the structure where food and oxygen react and release energy. Eight would be the mitochondrion. Nine, this acts as a control center for the cell. That's the nucleus. So the nucleus kind of is the control center for a cell. And 10, this is the layer that holds the parts of the cell together and controls movement of materials in and out of the cell. That's a cell membrane. So I'll go back to the top in case you guys didn't get these. And once again, the answers are going to be right after this. So one, the outer layer of a plant is the cell wall. Two, the structure that stores water and helps keep the plant from wilting is the vacuole. Three, this is the structure that contains chlorophyll, and that's going to be chloroplast. Four, this is a structure that moves material throughout the cell. That's the endoplasmatic reticulum. Five, the substance that fills most of the solids of the nucleus contains other organelles. That's a cytoplasm. Six, this is a tiny structure in the cytoplasm of cells perform a special job. That's organelle. Seven, this is the organelle that puts together proteins for the cell. That's the ribosome. Eight, this is the structure where food and oxygen react to release energy. That is the mitochondrion. Nine, this acts as a control center for the cell. That's the nucleus. And the thin layer that holds the parts of cells together, that's the cell membrane. Okay, and if you guys look, all the answers are right here. So if you didn't get all of them, you can go back. So what you can do now, you can kind of see where each of these things is located. So this shows where they are in the cell, and down below, these are all the functions. It tells what each one of these things does. And this is just kind of a review for you guys. It gives you an introduction when we start doing life science. Some of these terms will come up. I just wanted to give you, this is just like a point of reference. And you can just kind of look these over, and then once you see where they're located, you can kind of see what they do. All right, you guys have a wonderful day. I'm going to start social studies here in about 15 minutes. So have a great day. All right, bye.